Warm welcomes. My name is Christian, and I'm the environmental educator at Trailside Museums and Zoo. Now, as much as I love reading a good book, it is absolutely beautiful outside, and I'm thinking about going on a hike. I want to make sure I'm prepared for a hike. So I'm going to show you guys how I pack my bag, some recommendations, and then we'll get out on the trail. Now, let's do another cool transition. Oh.
Alrighty, let's start off with water. It's important, it keeps you hydrated, and you will sweat a lot. So depending on the temperature, the weather, the conditions, how long you're going to be hiking for, the more water I recommend bringing. But it's a staple of any hike and very important for your health. Oh, well, here's our next best thing, a form of navigation. So here we have this map. I recommend bringing a compass. Your cell phone can do, but it's not always the best because you might not always get reception. And your phone battery can die. So make sure you're well prepared. From the spring to the fall, it's always important to bring some kind of bug spray because you got mosquitoes, ticks, and all other kinds of bugs depending where you're hiking. So always good to keep some kind of repellent or bug spray on you. Also, make sure to keep sunscreen on you as well because you have to keep the bugs and the sun away. Having a first aid kit is always handy. From small scratches that just need a little bit of cleanup and a Band-Aid to kind of more major things. It's always great to have in your backpack and just maybe in your car in general. You got to keep your energy up, so having some kind of food to keep you going is great. Try to think about proteins and healthy sugars, such as from fruits and veggies. There's also protein bars and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can bring. The longer you're going to be out there, the more likely you're going to want a snack and probably more of it. Speaking about snacks, a lot of the time you're going to have a wrapper afterwards. If you just kind of toss it anywhere, that's probably not the best for Mother Earth. So having some kind of bag, whether it's this small or a lot larger, or just tossing whatever scraps you have in your backpack work. So having some kind of container to make sure you're picking up after yourself. One thing that I should mention is that with a lot of hikes, depending on how long it is, make sure you bring the medication that you need. So here's just some generic over-the-counter medication, but this could be anything from an inhaler to an EpiPen, etc. So if it's a certain season or you have certain ailments, I recommend packing that too. So now you have everything that you would need for any basic kind of hike. You just toss it into a bag and you're ready to go. And I hope to see you guys on the trail.